Right, I definitely need to get this curtain rod up today because when the outside light is on, it shines through here and it's an LED light and it's so bright. So need to get those curtains up so that I can go ahead and be able to leave that light on at night because it's safer, especially with me being out here kind of in the boonies. And so I want to get this done today. I have my rod here. I think this one has all the parts to it. Let's check it out. Yeah, everything is there. For today, I just want to get this hung. So we got the rod there. And I'm moving over to this cubby. I'm going to try to rest my arm on the heater while I pull out the tools I need here. Well, hold on. My one Armed Bandit has stuff on the desk, so I'm having to do this a little bit different. Or on the bed, I'm having to move things off. So I've got what I need, these things, and I need the dowel. There it is. There it is. It's hiding. Reach back in here. There. This is my little hole starter. And so now I got those things. I'm going to get up and move slowly so I can cross, get my tools over here. Okay, my one-armed bandit is going to try to hold the phone as I do this. Hopefully I'll do very well. All right. Well, now go over to this side, get it started. Find that if I start them first. Oops. Oh, thank you for not going back behind there. This is a lot of fun, isn't it? Capturing all of my errors and so on. Oops. There. All right. Now, let's get this guy. Yep. It helps when you can be right straight on it. Pull it back out. There we go. Now, what's going to be fun is getting the bracket on there. And I'm not going to be able to use the gun for this. But I rent the property that I'm on. I'd love to own the property, but I own my trailer. But it's very reasonable compared to a lot of RV places I've seen. Now, where did that screwdriver go? Where did it go? There it is. It's hiding under the pillow. So
I'm not going to say anything.
So anyways, I had to make sure to get that paid for the month of January. Let's see if you can cooperate with me here. This is going to be the fun part. This is why I started the hole, because that makes it so much easier. No. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. 20 people just shut off their they've been watching this. Okay, all right, let's see. Oh, come on now.
No, I'm pretty sure that a lot of people are saying, well, at least I'm not the only one.
Possible. Very possible. All right, that's going to be good. That is going to be at a good height. All right, stay on this side of that because that's where you're supposed to be. Thank you. Of course, I'm not sure too many people talk to inanimate objects this way.
You'd be surprised.
Right. So, get in there. I mean, it's going into, what's it called? Luan. It's not drywall, so it's only going to get so tight. It needs to be a little bit tighter. Oh, there we go. Good, yay. Don't want to tighten it too much. Make sure it's straight. Okay, oops. Don't sit on the rod, Cindy. Okay, because you might bend it. All right, there we go. Get you back out there, okay. Nice and straight there. All right. You're going to have to back up so I can get over here. Ooh. Are you okay?
Yes.
All right, good. All right. Did I say that this is why I pre-drilled the holes?
Yes.
To make it a little bit easier to get them in.
Yes, you did.
Ooh. Behave. Wait a second. Alright. Make sure it stays straight because this is a little bit tighter to the bracket for the shade than on the other side. But all right, here's that. That's good. All right, now get my handy dandy thingy here. All right.
It's not filming. It's not filming you anymore.
All right, we had a little technical issue there. All right, so it's going back into the hand of the one-armed bandit. You see everything okay? All right.
Mm-hmm.
So let me get these holes started. I think it's going to be a good enough start, right? Well, let's see. Check it out. We'll check it out. Where's the drill? Under the pillow. Of course. Right where it belongs. Yay! All right. Right bracket on. Woohoo! Probably a good thing I didn't film things like this before. People think I'm out of my mind. Don't say anything.
Try not to.
Ow! I had my fingers up against this and that didn't feel good when I was trying to that. Righty then. Number 2. Now the interesting thing is these aren't very wide. This window isn't very wide, and all of my yay! Good. That's done. And I think this might be, oops. Hello, ceiling. It's there just in case you didn't know. I was just checking. All right. Oh, hey, you know what? That's going to end up being just right. As it turns out. Get these things loosened up a little bit. Goes down inside. That side does it automatically. Oh, that's going to be good. Make sure the door still won't come open. Look at that! Woohoo! We have curtain rod. All right, get the curtain. Oops, don't worry about that. We'll get it later.
Did you have that door on me?
I didn't throw it. It just apparently you wanted to be near you. Close to you. Why do birds suddenly appear every time? Alrighty then. I know, don't quit my day job.
I wasn't gonna say anything.
All right, let me. Are you really looking? Is it see?
Mm-hmm.
Over here too?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. All right, let's get the curtains on. See, I had to have the sound effect too. Okay, that's one. Scratch my chin. What's going to be fun is that these are going to be long. I might have to trim them up later. But I've been wanting to get this done for so long. All right. Let's get that up. And now you're in the dark. Right. It's tightened up here. It's almost like that's what we need to do with your home. On yours, is that needs to be tightened up on those, so that they don't jot out on you when you close.
Yeah, but with mine, we need a step ladder.
Well, yeah, to get it done, but then once it's done, you know, I had a ladder in my shed in my old house, but when I had people helping me move out of it, I let somebody keep it. All right, need you to move out just a little bit here. That side is okay that it's long, but this side with the door here, right? That's not too bad. Okay, make sure that's the same there and there. Okay. My hand right there. Okay, yeah, that's good. Oh, good. Okay, now need to get it so that they can be like that when they're open.
You need ties.
I got ties, but I'm not sure that they're going to work right. I love these ties. I had them in the other house.
Yeah, I remember they were in my room.
Yeah, they were in the spare bedroom. which technically was year round. Ooh, it's working now. All right, so see, but they're so long. But I got to get hooks to go there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're talking about this, and so these are long, and so to pull them back, it would have to. That's not going to work very well. So one of the ideas we would
maybe a nail or something.
I don't know if a nail, but there might be some kind of a bracket that I can put here.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to be yelling into the phone, but there must be some kind of a bracket that I can put here that will just hold that in place. To hold it back. Yeah, that's an idea. So we'll just have to see how that works.